What's more fun than choosing a template? Yes, to edit it. Let's see how you can edit the template in minutes. Once you click on a template, it will be added to the artboard. This is where all the magic happens. Right from the text to objects, everything is customizable. Double-click on the text to edit. When you click on any object in the artboard, an additional menu will appear at the top. This lets you customize the object as you want. As you can see, we can change the font, size, style, and add text effects. Change the background, add relevant stock images and icons to spice it up. Or if you want us to customize the template for you, fret not. You can do it. Just click the Matte button and wait to be awestruck. Our AI engine analyzes the template and suggests different designs every time you click on the Matte button. Customizing a template is that easy.